Now see example number 2, calculate coefficient of correlation using rank method. The value of x and y given, but here in x the value 90 repeated, 70 value repeated, and hence we are using the rank repeated formula. Is the first example. In first example we have seen the rank not repeated formula. Okay, and here because of this repeated value, how to find the rank correlation? Now 85, 110, 90, 85, 70, 90, 55, 70, 90 and 51 and 51. Below table, do the rough work. Here how to give the rank for x. Total number 10, the rank up to 10, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now lowest to highest, highest to lowest, give the rank. We are giving highest to lowest. The maximum number, highest number is 110. Not repeat this number, give the rank is 1 and mark here. Below 110, 90, but 90 repeat 3 times. 90 repeat 3 times. The rank 2, 3, 4. How to give the rank? Either give for all 92, for all 94. Extreme, either first, last, better way, give the average. What is the average between 2, 3, 4 number? The average is 3. Addition 9 divided by 3, 3. But what indicate m? M indicate how many times the particular number is repeated, rank is repeated. Here total inside the box 3 rank. So hence m1 value is 3. 3 times 90 repeated. Now for 90, give the rank 3. Give the rank 3. Below 90, number 85 and repeat 2 times. Because of repeat 2 times, your rank is average 5.5. And how many times repeat this 85? 2 times repeat, hence m2 is 2. Below, now give the rank for 85. Rank for 85, here 5.5, 5.5. Next, below 85, next number is 70. 70 also repeat 2 times. The rank of 70, average here 7.5. How many times this repeat? 2 times. This is the third number in data, repeat 2 times. Okay. Now for 70, rank is for 70, rank here 7.5. For 70, rank 7.5. Next, below 70, 55 not repeated, no box, give the 9 number. And for 51, rank 10. Okay. So how comes this 5.5, 7.5? Already we have seen here, that is average of rank. Next, y values 78, 101, 85, 85, 69, 80, 78, 85, 79 and 60 and 60. Same way, rank of y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Give the rank. The maximum y value 101, rank is 1. Given the rank 1. Below 101, number is 85 or 85 repeat 2 times in data, not 2 times, total 3 times repeat. The rank here average is middle number of this value is 3. Already how many, what indicate M1, M2, M3? Total M3 matlab 3 numbers repeated. Now in data 4th number repeat, but how many times? 3 times. 85, 85 and 85. 3 times repeat. Give the rank 3 for 85, rank 3 for 85. Below 85 number, below 85 number is 80 and 80 not repeated. Give the rank 5 for 80. Next, below 80, 79, 79 not repeated, rank is 6. Rank is 6. Then below 79, next number, below 79, 78, but repeat 2 times. Repeat 2 times. The rank average is 7.5 of these 2 number, and in data total how many number? Total 5 numbers repeat. This number repeat 78 repeat 2 times. How, what indicate M5? How many times rank repeated? 2 times. Now give the rank for 78, 7.5 and 7.5. The next below 78, the next number is 69, rank is 9 and 60, rank is 10. Okay, and this cancel, the rank is given. Now difference in rank R1 minus R2. The difference is minus 2, 1 minus 1 0, 3 minus 3 0, यानी कि here 2.5. This difference is minus 1.5, difference minus 2, difference 2.5, difference 4.5, difference minus 3 and last difference 0. Okay. Now take the square of this D. Minus 2 ka square 4, here 6.25, square 4 0 0 6.25, 2.25, 4.00, here 6.25, 20.25, 20.25, 9 and 0. Summation D square, 0.25 4 times मतलब 1. 21, 30, 40, 50, 52 is total. Okay. Now rank rank repeated formula, rank repeated formula. Rho xy is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square 1 by 12 summation mi cube minus mi bracket complete n cube minus n. This is called adjacent factor and is extra. If rank is not repeated, then mi minus mi cube minus mi, m is 0, so this part is vanished. Now 1 minus 6 summation d square 52 plus 1 by 12 m1 cube minus m1 m2 cube minus m2 m3 cube minus m3. How many m here? 5 plus m4 cube minus m4 m5 cube minus m5 bracket complete divided by n cube minus n, divided by n cube minus n. 1 minus 6 यानी कि 52 प्लस 1 by 12 in bracket 3 cube minus 3 2 cube minus 2 2 cube minus 2 plus 3 cube minus 3 plus 2 cube minus 2 get complete. Total divided by total numbers n numbers 10 cube minus 10 1 minus 6 summation 52 1 by 12 plus 24 plus 6 plus 6 plus 24 plus 6 bracket complete divided by 990. Okay, so 48 plus 6 54 60 66 66 after calculation the value you will get. Now the answer is 0.284. What is conclusion of correlation? The value is very low degree, the lies between 0 and 0.5. This is very low degree relation, very bad relation. We can't use this data for estimation of any value if x given या y given. Okay, thank you.